Hey everyone, what's up? Kaikane here once again. Today's topic is the best English language schools to teach at in Japan. While there are far too many to mention, I'm just going to go over the top ones where you will make the most amount of money. Standing at number one, which has always been at number one, is Berlitz. Yes, Berlitz language schools in Japan, Berlitz. They do tend to pay the highest. However, entering Berlitz and getting a job there is almost as difficult as getting a job at the CIA. The acceptance rate is very, very low. And also 100% you must be a native English speaker, and you must also have a 4-year degree. Number two would be, I would say, GABA. GABA, GABA language schools in Japan. Although the pay is not the same as Berlitz, they can offer quite a hectic schedule if you want to make bank. And then we have tied at 3 and 4 would be Aeon and ECC. Aeon, AEON, and ECC. The pay is not as high as at GABA or Berlitz, but they do offer quite a few teaching jobs. Now keep in mind, while there are many, probably millions of other language schools here in Japan and all throughout Tokyo and any other big city in this amazing country, I must recommend the best and my most favorite, and I have worked there myself back in the day for quite a few years, and that is Berlitz, Berlitz, Berlitz. They pay the highest, and I was making crazy bank back in the day. Unfortunately, as times change and people change and economies change and also management, they do not pay what they used to pay. However, they still pay the highest of any language school in the country of Japan. So if you want to work there, you had better be in tip-top shape, look your best, dress your best, smell your best, be qualified, have your degree, and keep at it. They do have an orientation once a month that you can attend. You have to apply for that. Go to their website. It's in my scroll down credits for recommended websites to apply for your ESL teaching jobs abroad, so have a look at that. Also, ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind I'm mostly focusing on jobs for you that involve teaching adults, as teaching adults is where the money is at. You will have more fun, more opportunities, way more pay, and just a damn good old time. Be sure to follow my resume and interview prep videos that will get you situated on preparing for your interview and your resume. I also offer resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well, so don't forget that. Also, check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, if you haven't, and get my book yet. And don't forget, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, feel free to book a private one-on-one consultation via Skype or email on my website at GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. I usually reply within 12 to 24 hours. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, you have a lovely day. Keep it real, stay focused, stay trained, stay hungry, and never give up and capture your dreams. Peace out.